Hello, my name is Pet Ndaba and welcome to the SARS TwoPot information videos. So you wish to make a withdrawal from your savings pot and you're not sure where to begin? Well, a good place to start is by ensuring that you are registered for income tax, as this is a mandatory requirement to withdraw from your savings pot. SARS has created several platforms to help you to check if you are already registered for tax. You can dial *134 *7277 hash. On your WhatsApp, you can start by saving the number 0800 11 7277 and start the conversation with hi. On the SARS online query system, or SOX for short, on e-filing, or you can simply send an SMS to 47277. There are step-by-step instructional videos on how to get your tax number and complete your registration available on the SARS TV YouTube channel. Now that you are registered for income tax and are in possession of a valid tax number, the next step is to ensure that your tax affairs are in order. This is a mandatory requirement, meaning that your outstanding debt must be settled and any outstanding returns must be filed. Let us look at how much tax will be deducted from your savings withdrawal using the TwoPot Tax Calculator.
Welcome to this video that will show you how to use the tax calculator for the TwoPot system on the SARS Mobi app. To begin, open your SARS Mobi app on your mobile phone. Then tap on TwoPot Calc. Complete your name. Your surname. Your ID number. And your tax reference number. Complete your gross monthly income and the amount you wish to withdraw. Tap Done and then Next to proceed to the next screen. You will be required to verify with the one-time PIN. Choose the OTP verification method. Enter the last 6 digits of your one-time PIN and tap Submit. Your total estimated tax calculation on your TwoPot withdrawal will be displayed. Kindly note that the accuracy of the TwoPot retirement system tax calculator is dependent on the figures that you capture. Also note that the results provided by the TwoPot retirement system tax calculator are for informational purposes only. They are not legally binding and does not constitute official advice from SARS.
Now that you have all the necessary information and have met the mandatory requirements, you can approach your fund administrator to begin the process of withdrawal from your savings pot.